Hello everyone, welcome to the Exxon Mining YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to share an issue that a recent client encountered with Minidoge. Our customer reported an issue with the Minidoge model that does not include a PSU. We would like to share the customer's solution. This is the mining dashboard for the Minidoge III miner, along with its data. The customer selected the power mode, but this miner is rated at 700M, yet its average hash rate is only 272.46 mHs. What does this indicate? Do you think it's a problem with the machine? Let's take a look at the hash rate curve. The fluctuations are very significant. We exported the logs, and our technicians found no issues. Next, we examined the power measurement chart, which also showed unstable wattage. Eventually, we discovered that the problem stemmed from the power supply itself. The customer replaced it with a standard PC power supply, which stabilized the power consumption at a fixed 455W. Here's the PC power supply that the customer connected, looking quite impressive. Afterward, the customer requested our assistance in sourcing a PC power supply. We will soon share a next practical video on how the customer connected a silent PC power supply. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave comments below the video. See you next time.